Hello, this is Piotr from Tapflo, and today I'm in our factory where we manufacture hundreds of pumps and systems every day. Some of them are really special, like the one you can see in the back. This system is dedicated for unloading very viscous, very thick products directly from the drums. It's a common need in the food sector where you operate with concentrates, paste or creams. Getting the product out of the drum manually, it's a pain, especially if we talk about high volume production. With this system, you can automate the unloading process. It will save your back, it will save your time, and it will save your money because the leftover volume in the drum is really minimized here. Working in food segment, you must take care of your product safety, which means safety of your customer. Every single pump or system that we deliver to that segment comes with proper certification, it is easy to clean, and all the parts are traceable. If you look for simple but reliable pumps or systems, go to tapflo.com and let us know about it.